everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I have a project share with you. I picked up this 6x8 paper pad called Boo from Joann's, and it's a perfect size to make a little folio. So I challenged myself to use up all the paper, make a folio, not have anything left over, and I have enough paper to finish it. So it was a little bit of a challenge. I did use a couple of different pieces of ephemera from my stash. They're from a couple of different collections. Like this is from Echo Park, and I used some other ones that were in my stash. So let me take you inside. It's just a simple little folio, but it's great for just a quick little gift and add some pictures. Maybe if you go to a Halloween party, somebody would appreciate this. So anyhow, it's got a magnetic closure. It measures, I think it's probably 8.25 by 6.5, and it is 3/4 of an inch tall. There's still lots of room for photos. So we open it up and there's room here. So this is just 4 inches wide. So you could put a 4x6 photo there, but I think I would put a couple of 3x3s there. But a 4x6 photo would certainly fit in this space. And then we'll look at this side later. Let's take a look at the center part here. We've got the pocket, and we've got a cute little pumpkin there. It says Happy Halloween. You could still put a photo right there. This will open up, and inside cover, it's got a little skeleton, and he is open, so you could tuck your 4x6 photo right there. This bottom will open up, and again, it is open, so you could tuck a small photo there. And the bottom part here just has a strip of paper with a little bat ephemera. So here I've got the photo mats all ready for you to put the photos on, and again that is open so you can tuck your photo underneath. This will open like that, room for your photos and photo mats, already decorated with some ephemera. And then as well, this will open this way to give you room to stick your photos. These are good to give to people who are not familiar with mini albums and folios, because it gives you the room to put the photos and sort of tells them where to put it. Now anything that's got a picture hanging over it, of course, is open, so you can tuck your photo in there. Cute little owl with room for journaling. And then that'll open like that. This has sort of the silver metallic sheen to it, and this is backed with a silver metallic mat. Again, room for your 4x6 photo. And this opens up again, and there's room for a bunch of photo mats in here, or they can just put photos not on photo mats. And then there, of course, is room for the picture, and the other side of that has room for a couple of small pictures and your 4x6 right there. So that part will go, this will go in like that, that'll go on top, and then this, and then that, and that's held together with a magnet. And then we've got this little section on the side, room to put your photo right there, and room here for your pictures. I don't have a photo mat on here. I figured, you guys can do what you want, put whatever size picture you want, but here a 4x6 photo would go. This is great for journaling. I mean, it's already got the lines, so you could journal everything about, the event, the year, the costumes, whatever. This page has the silver metallic foiling detail on it, and as well I added a couple of silver stars using some silver paper from my stash. So that'll close like that. That goes like that. That closes, and then the back is just some orange paper to match with the collection. So again, I just wanted to show you how you could use a 6x8 paper pad, use it all up. Again, I added some ephemera. If you do pick up a paper pad that has the ephemera, it makes it so much easier, because then you're not mixing and matching. So that's what I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like bell, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified when a new video comes out. Have a fabulous day.